In this video, we will show you how to operate your Greenworks lantern. We have featured a 24-volt lantern. However, this guide can be followed for all units fitting this description. Your lantern may look different than the model used to film this video. All information provided still applies. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Step 1. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with any loose, unassembled parts and set aside for later. Carefully lift the lantern out of the box and set it down. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product. Step 2. Battery and charger. If you purchased a complete kit, your lantern came with a battery and charger. Please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. Step 3. Installing and removing the battery. Align the lift ribs on the battery pack with the grooves in the compartment, then push it in until you hear a click. To remove the battery, press and hold the release button. Then pull the battery pack out of the lantern. Step 4. Powering on and off. The lantern has 4 settings: high, medium, low, and off. Press the power button once for high brightness, twice for medium, 3 times for low, and a 4th time to turn it off. Step 5. Charging ports. This lantern also doubles as a power bank. Open the dust cover to access the USB-A and USB-C charging ports. Plug in your device using a compatible cable to start charging. Need additional help? For videos on how to charge your batteries and operate your product, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks tools will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.